Hi guys, it's Inky again. It's my second day, 30 days coding straight. So I just want to start with the small meme. When you listen to recording your own voice, this is how I feel on the second day. Okay, so let's go back to the project. Today I wanted to share the project called like Inky Army Data. I built it like 2 days ago, but I wanted to add like new things and I want to share this project, how it looked. So here's my terminal. I use Warp, by the way. See what's in there. Before we start, let's explore what's in there. So we have like rules for cursor rules. I put like database rule, general rule, like TypeScript, cursor rule. Those are all the rules I need to use for like vibe coding. Okay, and then we have app directory. We have API conversation agent.md, where I use like pretty much all the vibe coding like rules and how it's supposed to be structured. I just like handwrite those. Like those are very important to keep up with good vibe coding. So anyways, those are all the things we have in the project repository. Let's go open it on the cursor, which I normally do. Okay, if you open the cursor, so this was the implementation I wanted to do as a cron job to do like fetch conversation from the OMI API. But unfortunately, I ran out of credit. I ran out of credit on like OMI device, so I cannot really fetch all the conversation for this month. Like saving all the conversation to the database, I can export from the OMI app, and then with JSON, I can use that JSON data to seed my database. So, which is exactly what I did. I created a small Prisma schema, like saying created at language and sources, all the details that OMI gave, and then I think I already like sent conversation.json from my mobile phone. I'm gonna show you how I did through here. What you can do is go to OMI and then go to settings and then search for developer mode, and you'll see like your API key and stuff like that, and go to export conversation as a JSON, and this is all the conversation you have done with the OMI, and then you just use this information to seed your database. So yeah, that's how I exported the conversation.json. I'm gonna just drag it to I think I drag it to like, actually I need to drag it to the script so where I can see my database. So I included all the .env. This is all the conversation I have. It's pretty much like I follow this structure to create a schema on the Prisma, and then this is a TypeScript interface I created for that JSON data. And on my home page, on like a main page.tsx, I created like some small component that filters like shows a dashboard. Okay, without further ado, I'm just gonna show how it looks by running it. Okay, so this is how it looks for now. It was working. I just like added the hide discard button. I wanted to like discard some of the conversation that doesn't necessarily include a lot of like conversation. Some of the conversation it only just caught up some information randomly, but which creates like only a couple of words. Probably like I didn't speak around during the time, but only created some conversation and then created as a discarded one. But some of them are really important, some of them are not really important, so I created this button and then I used for 3 days straight. But before that I built like custom one in June, and I feel like I wasn't really using an OMI device, so I recently went to October 31st, I went to a hackathon to get another device and doing a project with it. So that's how I started using it October 31st until November 2nd. So this is how it looks. It's pretty much like structure your summary of what you spoke, and then speakers, how many speakers who have spoken this thing. So this is what I did. Open source project, so I can just save my own data, my own database. So I'm just gonna show you like how you can see all the conversation to your database. First thing you have to do is like pnpm install, which I already did, and then pnpm seed. First you have to do is like pnpm generate, not generate, Prisma generate, to generate like schema data, like ORM data, object relation mapping data. And then once you do that, you just create do this pnpm seed conversations. So it just runs this seed conversation TypeScript file, and then seed database based on this conversations.json. Okay, so 97 conversations. Observed 97 conversations. So let's try seeing our database again. I mean, project again. Okay, so first rating household. So these are all the information I talked yesterday, all the things I've talked yesterday. So such that you can build a project and save all the data from Ami and display it on the website so where you can access to. If you like this video, let me know in the comment below. And if you have like any coding project request, I can also make a video about it. So let me know.